watching Artistic Strokes. I am Shivanshi and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I am going to target this wall right behind me, and I am also planning to use this window over here and do something creative with it. But before starting, I think I need to remove this scooty from here. I think I have the keys. Ta-da! So I'm going to remove this first, okay? Okay, so I have removed the scooter and now the area is totally empty and totally fit for me to start the painting. So let's go. So finally I've started the 7th wall painting in my home, and I think slowly I'm moving towards realizing my dream of converting my home into a full-fledged wall art museum. So I'm trying to make each painting as a spot where amazing photography can be done. Though, I am extremely bad at clicking pictures or even getting clicked. So let me tell you a little bit about the colors that I'm using over here to make these paintings. So for some of the paintings, I have used acrylic paints. The ones that I have done inside my home, those are made using acrylic paints. But since, this painting is outside my home, so it will have to bear the sun and the rain. So for this I'm using the normal distemper paints. So I take a very good quality of white distemper paint, and for making rest of the colors I use testers. So testers are colors which you can mix into the white color and make any color whichever you want. They're basically very saturated pigments used to make different colors. So I think in order for you to understand it better, if you want to know what all material do I use for making these wall paintings, I think I can make a separate video about all the material I use, how do I make different colors, how do I mix them, and maybe the purchase price of these colors, everything. I'll make a video on this, and you can get all the information you need from that video. So here are some fun facts about pandas. Pandas are only found in China. In fact, China owns every single existing giant panda, and they are China's legal property, and it loans them to various other countries. So there's another fun fact about pandas. The favorite food of panda is bamboo shoots, and they actually eat a lot of it. They have to eat a lot of it because bamboo is very low on nutrition. So in order to satisfy their nutrition needs, pandas eat a lot of bamboo in a day. Pandas can eat 12 to 38 kilos of bamboo per day, and they spend mostly around 14 hours per day eating. So I think that is the life of pandas. They eat and sleep and repeat. But I think pandas are the cutest animals, and I love pandas. They are just tumbling around. So that is the reason why I have made this panda world of my own. I wish I could just carry one of these pandas along with me inside my home and play with it and feed it and then bring it back and keep it along with its fellow pandas. But I think this is just a fantasy, and it's probably not going to become true for me, but that's okay. and I have these cute little looking pandas on my wall. So I am a very big panda lover. So I thought if I cannot have one for myself, at least I can have them on my wall. You know, it is that much power I don't possess. So yeah, that's why I thought let me have a panda world of my own. So that is the power I possess. And you know what is the power you possess? You possess the power to like and share the video if you enjoyed it. And most importantly, for more art videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.